What's up, guys? We haven't been posting in a while because a lot of us have been really busy right now with like work and other things that are going on in our life. But yeah, I'm excited for this new vlog to come out right now. What do you think, my boy Kylo?
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
All right, you heard it here. What's up, Manny?
What's up, Trey?
How you doing, dog? What you doing?
Bro? Injustice.
Injustice. All right, cool. Yo, how long has Michael been sleeping, dude?
Like all day.
Dude, what a lazy ass, bro. Do you know where Jonah's at?
No.
Oh.
Welcome to
Yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You the only one I know could fit it.
All right, we got a guy named Vinny today. He's joining us in the vlog.
Yo.
What's up, bro? Want to tell us something about yourself, man?
Yeah, dude. I do theater.
Yeah, he does
So
theater.
you should know.
Yeah, he's really
you
good
should
at
know
it.
what I'm
too.
about from that.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Alrighty, guys, today we are joined with Manny, Jonah, Michael, and Vinny. Hey, all right. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be asking all of these individuals right here 10 questions. It's going to be a little trivia game, but there's a twist. All right? If they get the question wrong, they have to take a little toothpick right here and take some of that Mad Dog sauce right there. I'll throw in a clip explaining what that is right now. All right, so this is Mad Dog right here. As you can see, it's does not mess around. This is one of the most hardcore hot sauces out there. Many people have actually been hospitalized before for taking too much of it. So, yeah. Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna dive right into this right now. All right, Michael, so go ahead and take that sauce, open it up, take a whiff while you're at it. Tell us what you think so far.
Oh, that's dirty.
Here, leave the cap off. Leave the cap off. You put it right next to the toothpicks. Alrighty. All right, guys, you ready for question number one?
Yeah!
Question number one. All right, these are gonna be some nerdy questions here. All right, I'm gonna test how much nerds you guys really are. All right. Question number one. In Lord of the Rings, what was Smeagol's second personality trait called? His second person.
Got it.
All right.
Easy.
5, 4.
Hey, does it count if we spell it wrong?
No, it's fine. You're good. You're good. All right, go ahead and lift those up. All right, on 3, say the answer. 1, 2, 3.
Gollum.
All right, correct. Good job. You've all passed the first round. All right, these are easy questions, okay? All right, question number 2. In Star Wars, what was Luke Skywalker's first lightsaber color?
Oh, bet. Easy.
No cheating, no looking at papers. I see you, Manny. Just kidding. All right.
Wait, do we flip it? I got this wrong.
Okay, on 3, all of you say the same color. 1, 2, 3.
Blue.
Oh, man, he said green.
No way.
We got a loser! All right. Hey, we just had a goblin join in the middle.
Oh my gosh.
It's Gollum. What's up, Gollum?
Hey, Gollum.
Hey, Trey.
All right,
Hey,
Manny's gonna try it. He got one wrong. Here we go. Let's do it, Manny.
Like all of it.
Ooh, okay. All right.
Oh, that's so evil, dude.
Wait, can I play?
Yeah. Hop in, Devin. Hop in. Go. What'd you say,
sweating.
Manny?
I didn't take my shirt off.
You gotta take your shirt off?
Can
I drink this?
Yeah, sure. You can drink.
A lot of people.
Hey, what'd you just say?
I don't like this game.
10?
He doesn't like the game anymore. All right, we have a new
that?
joinee. He's just getting off work. Hey, what's up, Cole? What's up, dude? Welcome to the vlog, bro.
What's up?
You want to tell us something about yourself, Cole?
Mad Dog Challenge.
My name's Cole. I go to Basha and I work at Firehouse.
He's a beast. He's a beast. All right. Question number 4, boys.
Wait, this is 3.
3. Okay, I'm dumb. All right. Anyways, question number 3. This is a history lesson right here. Okay, what was the last United States state to be named a state?
Dude, are you serious?
Bruh.
The 50th state.
I
Oh
dropped
my
that
god.
before.
I actually forgot.
Bro,
I didn't
All right, write it down. Come on, write it down.
No. Oh my
Okay,
god.
I got it.
I'm probably gonna get this wrong, guys. I probably
got it.
spelled it wrong too.
Okay.
I got it right.
All right.
Get a toothpick.
All right. On 3, say the state that you think you got. 1, 2, 3.
Hawaii.
All right, you were all correct.
Oh shit!
Hey! Oh! Alaska! Oh! All right. Grab that
Hey, this man said I got it right.
That's not how we play.
Alaska, no, boy. They bought
Okay,
it.
I'll be honest. I asked the question I didn't even know the answer to. I had to look it up real quick. All
They
right.
bought it from
I'm
Russia.
stupid. All right. Joni, you ready?
Right?
Oh, that's all right. Put it in. Dude. All of it. All on your tongue.
Put it in your mouth.
Let's go.
Go.
Come on. Nope.
Oh my god. Ah, what the fuck?
I'm crying.
Hey,
That's
you
an
got
idiot.
water right there, dog. Dude, is it that?
Oh no, dude, Jonah.
He's gonna throw up.
Oh shit, he's spitting.
Nah, you
Okay.
ain't going up.
That's bad.
Jonah, what are your
you up for
thoughts?
the count?
Crying.
He's crying.
That's bad.
Dude.
That's just a toothpick, bro.
Imagine just chug. Hey, we'll make it so the loser has to chug all of it. I'm just kidding.
I ain't going to the hospital. I'm so
Oh.
racist.
$20 to whoever chugs it.
All right. Okay.
It's in my throat.
All right, Jonah.
It's in my throat.
All right, we're gonna sit down. We're gonna move on to the next set. All right. Here we
Dude,
go.
I'm not trying to get this shit wrong.
Yeah, you gotta be right. Okay, guys. Question number 5. Since
ice cream.
yeah, you're chilling. You're chilling. Okay. Yeah. Oh, number 4. I can't count, guys. I can't count, bro.
Man, try this shit. Right?
Okay. Question number 4. All right.
Number 2.
Question number 4. Are you ready? This is a simple one. If you get this wrong, I am sorry because there's no way you should get this wrong. All right. What year was our great president Donald Trump elected? Write it down.
Wait.
Write it down. Shut up. Don't say anything. Do not say anything. Right.
Dude.
Right.
Oh, wait. This
5, 4,
No, don't
3,
count down. The fuck?
2, 1. All right. On 3, say the same year. 1, 2, 3.
2017.
2018.
2018.
Inaugurated in 2018, but he was elected in
Kidding
2017.
me.
2018 when he was
All right. You all got it wrong. 2016. It was not when he was inaugurated, but elected. All right. Jonah. Okay, you're
I'm
good.
taking it like a man.
Dude, let's go.
Jonah, you don't have to do it again if you
Look
don't
at
want
that
to.
thick ass.
Wait, oh, he's going fast. All right.
Oh my god.
All right, man. He's going in again. Michael.
Put my drink down, you bitch.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Jonah, you don't have to do it again if you can't, bro. It's all right.
For the vlog.
For the vlog.
Hey, ready? Ready?
Let's go.
Ready?
Dude, that shit's so fucking hot.
Is he gonna blow up? Is he gonna blow up?
Yo, that's all like my upcoming mixtape. Puke on SoundCloud. What?
What? We're adding ice cream to the game because it's getting too extreme.
Give me that shit.
Oh my god.
You scooping it with your hands?
Trump wasn't elected in 2018?
Oh my! Are you kidding?
The next election is 2020. Presidencies last 4 years.
Hey, Kanye for 2020 though.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, Michael.
He's being
All right.
elected right now.
Okay, guys. Question number 18. Are you ready? What?
5, bro.
Oh shit.
doing
My
that
bad, bro. My
question.
bad. I don't know how to count. I never passed preschool.
Let's do it.
Ready? Question number 5. So it's gonna be shifting. Hey, shut up. It's gonna be shifting from a happy mood to a sad mood. All right.
crying.
What day did Stephen Hawking die?
Bet.
I got it.
Bet. Okay, hold up. Wait.
Hey, no. Put the phone away. Put the phone away. No.
I don't know what date it is today.
Hey.
You just gave it
Oh
away.
wait, do we need to write the actual date?
No, you're good.
Okay.
You don't need to write the actual date. On 3, say it on 1. 1, 2, 3.
Today. 14th.
Rest in
What?
peace.
March 14th.
Okay, he was precise, but he was right.
Hey,
Okay.
that's today.
Hey, rest in peace. Rest in
Hey,
peace.
but when was he born though? I don't know.
All right, shut up, Michael. Okay.
I put the 14th of March
All right, why'd you have to say it like that?
because that's how I fucking put it.
You know it's National Pie Day?
It's National Pie Day.
Why would I fucking put it?
Let's go get pie. Let's go
Dude,
get
it's
pie.
Wednesday.
Right now, we're going to pie. Screw the challenge.
Walk, let's do it.
Question number 3. Okay. So
This is number 6.
yeah, it's number 6. My bad. I can't count. Okay. Question number 6. What is my mother's first name?
Yes!
Shut up.
Yes! I know this one.
Do I get a pass?
Oh my god.
Vinny gets pass.
All right, Vinny gets a
I
pass.
don't know it.
Oh
No,
no.
don't try.
Devin would know this.
On 3. 1,
I don't know.
2,
I don't
3.
know.
Rachel!
Jonah, did you write that?
What?
Are you fucking kidding me? No. Put it a trivia crack because I'm too uncreative. Here we go. Entertainment.
Hold it up so we can't see the answer. Hold it up so we can't see the answer. Just click one.
Which is a member of the band Panic at the Disco? Tyler Joseph, Brendan Urie, Gerard Way, or Josh Dunn?
Nope.
Oh my god. I know this one. Me and Duncan got it.
And go.
Let's go, Vinny. Yes!
Perfect question.
Wait, I'm changing my answer.
All right, the
Oh,
answer.
hey, Manny. Manny's
changing.
cheating.
Manny heard it.
I didn't know it.
Manny heard it.
What? I heard. Of course I heard.
Dude, what's up with all these ads, bro?
Yeah, nobody said
Hey,
it.
it has
All right,
Brendan
on
Urie.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Brendan Urie.
God damn it!
Fuck.
What the fuck?
All right, Manny. That's the look
Yes.
of sorrow and regret.
Oh my god, bro.
What'd you
Hello,
put?
darkness,
I
my
put
old
Josh. I
friend.
didn't know his last name.
Josh Groban.
I don't listen to gay ass music.
Oh.
Josh Groban. Panic at the Disco.
What the fuck?
Hold it.
Put
pussy.
some more on, bitch. Somebody left that on there, you dumbass.
Oh, sorry.
Fuck you. I'm not doing that.
All right. Okay.
Oh, no, I'm pineapple under the seat. Bun, bun,
All right, shut him up.
What are you doing?
We're doing a Mad Dog challenge with hot sauce and stuff.
What's a Mad Dog challenge?
It's
a
basically
savage.
I ask a question and then this sauce, if you get it wrong, you have to try the sauce, and it's supposed to be like really spicy. Like people have been hospitalized for having too much of it.
Wait, let's have him ask. Dad, what are the first 5 numbers of pi?
Did you guys actually? Are you drinking or what?
No.
You're eating ice cream
No.
out of a container.
Not at all.
No, but what are the first 5 numbers of pi?
Yeah,
What are the first
what
five
are the
numbers
first
of pi?
5 numbers of pi?
Write them down.
3, 1, 4. I don't know.
Write them. Come on, guess.
Guess.
Good, Dad. Guess.
2 more. 2 more.
These subscribers.
What is it?
3.1415.
Oh, Mr. B has to try it. Oh. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay, don't do all of it. Don't do all of that.
That's as much as I did.
No, but it's a glob, bro. Okay.
He's fucking fine.
All right, here we go, Mr. P.
Oh!
Ooh, took it like a champ. What do you think so far, Mr. P? Easy thing. Oh.
No way.
What?
Hey, let's get a round of applause for Mr. P.
No
Woo!
Are you fucking lying? You know that shit's spicy.
Dude, your dad's hardcore, you know.
You know that shit's spicy.
It's pretty hot.
I don't want to fucking hear it. Your face watering, fucking the head looking like a fucking tomato now. Shit.
So when my throat starts to close up, then what do? Just breathe.
Yeah.
We get the
Jonas still.
we get the
recovering
crazy
from it.
subscribers when your throat closes up. So.
All right, so we've decided that we've done too much of the hot sauce challenge. So we're gonna take a little break and play some Injustice. You know, it's not a normal night unless we play Injustice. All right, we got Jonah in the left corner as Blue Beetle, and we got Michael as Superman.
What's up, dog?
Who will win? Oh my God, it's getting close, bro.
Fuck!
Oh, Hey!
Come on, come on!
No! Oh my God! Wait, why do you keep pausing it? Play it!
That was you, bro! Play it!
Oh my God! Oh! What are you doing? Just one, man.
Whatever, bro. Hey, I'll beat you next time.
Yeah,
next.
hey, you know, he still beat you even though you kept pressing start, you know, towards the end. So I mean,
That was him.
that was you. I don't know, man.
The core,
All right,
I hear it.
Cry me a river.
Cry me a river, bitch.
And play next.
We're gonna film an outro. What'd you say, Devin?
So new member, amigos.
Yeah, okay.
Outro.
Shut up.
Amigos.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching today. We've been gone for a while, but we will be coming back with more videos. So stay tuned.
Hey,
I don't want to hear it.
Hey, like the video if you want an Injustice tournament. We'll do it.
I don't think anybody wants to see Injustice. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Oh my God.
Hey, my microphone,
Oh.
Joe.
Oh, he's
What the
back.
fuck? Chill, bitch. God damn, it's just like
All right, we're done.
Yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You don't.